When we think of spiritual growth,
Rehefa misaina izany hoe fitomboana ara-panahy izany isika,
I think of two verses.
dia andininy roa no tonga ao an-tsaiko.
1 Corinthians
Korintiana voalohany,
chapter
toko
9.
faha-9.
Paul speaks of the
Paoly
progress in
dia
his own life.
miresaka ny fihatsarana eo amin'ny fiainany.
In verse 24,
Eo amin'ny andininy
don't you know
faha-efatra
that
amby
those
roapolo,
who run in
tsy
a
fantatrareo
race
va fa izay mihazakazaka
all
eo
run,
amin'ny tany fihazakazahana dia
but
samy
only one
mihazakazaka
receives the
avokoa,
prize?
nefa iray ihany no mahazo ny loka.
You must run in such a way
Mihazakazaha
that you may
toy
win.
izany mba handresenareo.
So there are two things I
Koa
want you
misy
to
zavatra
notice here.
anankiroa tiako marihana eto.
One is Paul is
Ny voalohany
speaking
dia izao, ny olona iresahan'i
to
Paoly
one
eto
of the
dia
worst
vondrona
group of
kristianina
Christians
anisan'izay
that lived in
ratsy
the first
indrindra
century.
niaina tamin'ny taonjato voalohany.
The Corinthian church
Ny fiangonana
was the
tao
worst
Korinto
church.
no fiangonana ratsy indrindra.
You know what all they had in their midst?
Fantatrao ve izava ireo olona
There
tao?
were people in that church taking
Nisy
each other
mpiangona
to
tao
court.
ny fampitory tany amin'ny tribonaly.
There were a
Nisy
whole lot
ireo
of
olona
people in the
maro
meetings
tonga
getting
dia
up and
nitsangana
screaming
nandritra ny
away in
fotoam-bavaka
tongues,
ary
trying to
nikikika amin'ny
impress
teny tsy
people, all
fantatra
fake.
mba hanaitra ny be sy ny maro,
And
nefa zavatra tsy tena izy.
there was a man living in sexual sin
Dia
with
nisy
his
koa lehilahy
stepmother,
nanao fitondran-tena vetaveta tamin'ny
and
vadin-drainy,
nobody was doing anything
ary
about
tsy
it.
nampihetsi-bolomaso ny olona
And
akory
when they
izany.
came for breaking of bread, they would have their
Ary rehefa tonga ny
potluck, they would bring their lunch
fandraisana ny fanasan'ny toka
with them,
dia
and they wouldn't
samy
share it
mitondra
with the
sakafo
poor.
iombonana avy ny olona, kanefa
Have you ever
tsy
seen a church like
fampizarany
that?
amin'ireo mahantra izany.
I mean, I've seen some bad
Efa nahita
churches, but
fiangonana
not
ohatr'izany
something
ve
like this.
ianareo? Mba efa nahita fiangonana ratsy ihany aho fa
And he's telling
tsy misy
this
tahaka
church,
izany.
you can
Ary
come
io
first in
fiangonana
the
io no
race.
hitanenany hoe vitanareo ny
Isn't there hope for
mandresy
every one of
amin'ny
us then?
fiazakazahana.
Are you as bad as what I just
Tsy
said?
manome fanantenana ho antsika rehetra ve izany?
You're not as bad. And
Ratsy
he
be
said, you
tahaka azy
can
ireo ve
run
ianao?
in such a way
Tsia,
that you
tsy
win the
ratsy be
first
tahaka
prize.
azy
Now
ianao.
you would think that such a
Ary
church,
izao
there's
no
no hope.
voalaza.
Forget it.
Mihazakazaha
There's no hope for you
toy
fellas.
izany dia ho azonareo ny
He says, no,
loka.
there is.
Ianao mety hevitra hoe raha fiangonana
Even
ohatr'izany ve
now,
dia havita ino?
if you repent
Aza
and
mandrera-tena,
turn around and start
tsy natao
running,
anareo izany. Hoy izy hoe
God will forgive
natao
your
anareo
past. And I want
izany,
to say that to
na dia
anybody
izao
here who is
ankehitriny izao aza.
discouraged or
Raha
feels
mibebaka ianao,
condemned,
mitodika
that
amin'Andriamanitra
you
ka
are not
manomboka
making
mihazakazaka,
it or
avelan'Andriamanitra
some
ny
blunder or
fahotanao taloha.
mistake.
Ary tiako lazaina
You're not
aminareo
as bad as this.
rehetra
Okay, we all
eto
make
izany,
blunders and mistakes.
izay
But
mbola
think of
mety ho
this
kivy na
church.
manamelo tena satria tsy
And this
nahavita zavatra,
book is kept in
na
the New
nanao
Testament to
adalàna,
encourage
nanao
us
fahadisoana.
that
Tsy olona
you
ratsy
can
ohatr'ireo
run
ianao.
in such a
Isika
way
rehetra
as to
samy nanao
win the
adalàna sy
first prize.
fahadisoana avokoa.
But you may say,
Kanefa
there's a church of
eritrereto ange io
200-300
fiangonana io.
people. How can they all
Io
run
boky io dia
win the first prize?
notehirizina ao amin'ny
This is the
testamenta vaovao mba
amazing
ho
thing in the
fampahirezana
Christian
ho
life.
antsika. Fa
In the
mbola
world,
azonao ataony
race
mihazakazaka
is one person
azahoanao
wins.
ny
That's what
loka.
it says here.
Mety eny ianao hoe
Only one
raha
receives the
fiangonana
prize.
misy olona
But
200 na 300 ve ny
you,
olona rehetra ve azo
all
loka
of
avokoa?
you,
Izany no tena
can
zavatra
run in such a
mahazendana
way as to win.
indrindra
That
ao
means
amin'ny
you can all
fiainana
come first.
kristianina. Any amin'ny fiainan'izao tontolo izao dia olona tokana ihany no mahazo ny loka. Izany no
But
voalaza eto. Ary iray ihany no
he says,
mahazo
if
ny
you want
loka.
to do that,
Kanefa ianareo rehetra ireo dia afaka
you got to be a
mihazakazaka
little
sy mandresy avokoa.
self-control
Ianareo
or
rehetra afaka
discipline. It says
mandrobaka
in
ny
verse
loka.
25.
Sarisary ihany izany fa
Everyone
izao no
who
voalaza eto.
wants
Raha
this
te hanao
first
izany
prize
ianao dia mila famonona tena
exercises
kely na
self-control.
fifehezan-tena. Izao no lazainy andiny
That
fadimy amby
means
roapolo. Izay rehetra te
self-control is
handrombaka ny loka dia mahony tena amin'ny zavatra
when
rehetra.
self wants to go
Dikan'izany
forward,
dia izao. Natao hoe mahafehy tena
brakes.
dia rehefa te hirongatra ny
Or like when
vatanao
a horse
dia hitsahanao ny frein.
is
Na tahaka ny soavaly te
trying to
hivilany
go off
amin'ny
in some
lalaka,
other direction,
tonga
you
dia
pull the
sotominao ny
bridle.
lamboridy.
There are some
Misy ny
wild
atao hoe
horses
soavaly dia talohan'ny
before they are
isamborana azy
caught
ireny.
who are very
Tena
fast,
haingam-pandeha be,
very
haingam-pandeha.
fast. But they will never win
Kanefa
a
tsy mba
race in a
mahazo
horse
loka ireny
race.
eny amin'ny
They'll never win a
hazakaza-tsoavaly.
race in a horse
Tsy azo
race.
loka velively ireny
Even though they're
eny amin'ny
very
hazakaza-tsoavaly na
fast,
mahery
because
mandeha
they're
be
not
azy.
disciplined
Satria nahoana?
to obey
Tsy
the one
mahafehy
who's
tena
sitting on
izy
top of them, the
hankatolay
jockey.
mpitaingin-tsoavaly.
And then another horse who's not
Misy
so
kosa nefa
fast
soavaly tsy dia mahery mandeha
wins
loatra.
the first prize
Mahazo ny loka
because
voalohany
he
satria
just obeys the
mankatoy
jockey.
fotsiny
And the
ilay
jockey
mpitaingina
pulls
azy.
the bridle this side, the horse
Rehefa
goes
soton'ilay
this side, and
mpitaingina ny lamboridy,
the
izy
jockey
no
kicks
mandidy
the
izay
horse
lalana
to make
lehan'ilay
the horse
soavaly.
faster. So
Rehefa kapohany amin'ny tongony
he
ilay
says
soavaly,
you must
tonga
be
dia mirivatra.
disciplined
Voalaza hoe
if you want to win
tsy
the
maintsy
first
mahafehy
prize.
tena ianareo raha te handrombaka ny loka.
Discipline in our
Ny
life
fifehezan-tena eo amin'ny fiainana
is the thing
no
that
zavatra tena
most
ilain'ny kristianina
Christians
indrindra
need and which they
kanefa tsy
don't
dia omeny lanja loatra
value. They don't
tsy dia
love it
ankafiziny
enough.
loatra
They need it, but
fantany
they
fa
don't
ilainy kanefa
want to pay
tiany
the
ho
price
azo
for it.
mora
But he says, as far
Paoly
as he's
kosa nilaza
concerned,
hoe raha
Paul
amiko
himself,
manokana
Paul is such a
Paoly dia
amazing
tena
man.
lehilahy mahavariana
He wasn't committing
izy
all
tsy mba
these
hananao
sins that
ireo
these people
fahotana
were doing.
nataon'ireo mpiangona ireo
And he done
ary
so many wonderful
zava-mahagaga
things. But
maro
he
be
still
no efa
says, I
nataony
run,
kanefa na
I
izany aza
discipline
dia
my
mbola
body, verse
milaza izy hoe
27.
mihazakazaka aho
I make it my
asiako mafy ny
slave.
tenako andiny faha 7.
That means I decide what
Andevosiko
my
ny
body
tenako
is going to do.
dikan'izany dia hoe izao no mandidy izay ataon'ny
My
tenako
eye is not going
tsy
to
ny
decide
masoko no
what it is going
mandidy
to
izay tiany
see.
hojerena
I decide what
izao
my
no
eye is
mandidy
going to
izay
see.
hojeren'ny masoko
I decide what my hand is
izao no
going to
mandidy
write.
izay hosoratan'ny tanako
My hand may want to do
mety
so many
iteanao
things.
zavatra
I
maro ny
decide what
tanako
my tongue is going to
izao no
speak.
mandidy izay
That's the
hotenen'ny
meaning
lelako
of
izany
I
no
make
dikany
my
hoe
body my
andevosiko ny tenako
Now, generally speaking,
amin'ny
in the
ankapobeny
world,
eny amin'izao tontolo izao
most people are
ny
slaves of their
ankamaroan'ny
body.
olona dia andevoziny tenany
Whatever the body
ataony
desires,
daholo izay rehetra tadiavin'ny vatany
if it's some dirty
tianana
lust, they
filana
go for
maloto ny
that.
vatany dia ataony tokoa
Even in eating
na
and
dia ny
drinking, they
zavatra
can
hohanina
be
sy
a
sotroina
very
aza dia tsy
indisciplined way of
mahafeny
doing it.
tenany ny olona ka manao
I'm
izay
not
daniny
talking
kibony
about physical
tsy resaka
health
fahasalamana
alone. It's good
ara-batana
to
ihany
be
no
disciplined
tianambara
in the area of
ilaina ny
physical health, but
fifehezan-tena mba
he's talking about a
hahasalaman'ny vatana
spiritual thing here.
kanefa zavatra ara-panahy no
I
resahany eto
discipline my body
mifeny tenako aho
not just to keep
tsy hoe
myself
mba ho
fit,
salama sy tomady fotsiny
but that I don't
fa
look
mba
at
tsy
things which
hijery
I shouldn't
zavatra
be
tsy
looking
tokony
at. I
jerena
hold back there. That I
tsy
shouldn't
manaiky aho
say things I shouldn't
mba
be
tsy hiteny
saying.
zavatra
I
tsy
hold
tokony ho
back there. That
tenenina
means I
dia mangina aho
pull that horse, that
izany
wild
hoe
horse,
sitoniko ilay soavaly
and
ilay
discipline
soavaly
myself, and
dia
then I
ary
win the prize.
feheziko ny
Otherwise,
tenako
he says,
ary
Paul
dia ho
says,
azoko
I
ny
can be a
loka
great apostle.
fa raha tsy
Verse
izany ho
27,
Paoly
but I can
na
be
dia apôstôly
disqualified.
lehibe aza aho andiny
So
fafito
that's
amby
one thing. And the
dia ho
second thing
lavina
I
ny
want to show
tenako
you is in Philippians 3,
izay ny zavatra voalohany
where he again
ny
speaks
zavatra
about the
faharoa tiako
spiritual
aseho anareo
progress we heard
dia
of.
amin'ny Filipianina toko
From one
7
stage to another,
mbola
to another,
miresaka
to another.
momba ny fihatsarana ara-panahy
Never
efa
stopping,
rentsika
but
teo ihany
continuing. Paul says in
miala eo amin'ny
Philippians 3,
dingana iray dia mankeo amin'ny dingana manaraka dia manaraka tsy mijanona mihitsy fa mitohy foana
he says, first
izao
of
no
all, in
lazain'ny
verse
Paoly eo
8,
amin'ny
I count everything in this
Filipianina
world
toko
as
7
loss
izao aloha no
compared to the
lazainy eo
value
amin'ny
of knowing
andininy
Christ.
9 ataoko fatiantoka avokoa ny
That is
zavatra
how
rehetra
he
eto an-tany
comes to
rehefa hoariko amin'ny
saying,
hasarobidin'ny
I'm
fahalalana ny
pressing
Kristy
towards the mark. Verse 12,
izany no antony ilazany avy eo hoe miezaka aho hahatratra ny marika
but I press
andiny
towards the
12
goal. Verse
mbola tsy
14,
nahatratra
I
aho
forget what
andiny
lies behind.
17
Verse
fa
13,
miezaka hanatratra
and
ny
reach forward
tanjona
to what lies
andiny
ahead.
17 manadio
I
ny
see
zavatra
two
ao
things
aoriana
there. One, first of all, he's not
andiny
satisfied with
17
the
ary
spiritual growth.
miezaka hahatratra ilay zavatra eo aloha
Now, I want to urge
zavatra
all
roa ny
of you, my
tsikarotro
brothers
amin'izany
and sisters, never be
voalohany indrindra aloha
satisfied
dia
with your
tsy
spiritual growth.
nahafa-po azy ny
I was
fihatsaran'ny
born again
fiainam-panahy
58 years ago,
koa
but
dia
I
te
can say
hanentana
before
anareo aho
God
raha
today,
lasy
I'm
anabavy
not satisfied
aza mba
with my
afa-po amin'ny
spiritual growth.
fihatsaran'ny fiainam-panahinareo
Because I see areas in my
efa
life where I'm
17
still not
taona izay ny
perfectly like
hovako fo
Christ.
kanefa mbola niteny
So I want to be
tamin'Andriamanitra
like
aho
Christ in those
amin'izao
areas
fotoana
also.
izao hoe tsy afa-po amin'ny
There are
fihatsaran'ny
areas
fiainam-panahiko
where
aho satria
God
hitako
has
fa
helped
mbola
me
maro
to
ireo
overcome
sehatra eo
certain
amin'ny
things.
fiainako izay tsy
But
hitovizako
if I
tanteraka
keep
amin'ny
looking
Kristy
back at
kanefa
those
tiako
things,
ny
oh,
hitovy
I've
amin'ny
overcome
Kristy
this
eo
and I've
amin'ireo
overcome
sehatra
this and
ireo
I've
koa
overcome
misy
this.
sehatra maro izay efa
You know, those who look
nanam-pinandriamanitra ahy
back in
ary
100
nisy zavatra
meter
maro
race
efa
will never
nahazoako
win.
fandresena kanefa raha ilozako
Those who
mitodika
keep
mijery
looking back
andreny
even in
foana
a marathon
le
race
aminy efa
will not
nahazoako
win.
fandresena
Paul
ilay
says,
izao efa
I
nahazoako
reach
fandresena
towards the
fantatrao ve
goal.
fa ireo olona izay mitodika
I
any
don't
aoriana
keep
mandritra ny
looking back
hazakazaka
saying,
1 metatra dia tsy
how
handresy
many
mihitsy
miles have I
ireo olona tsy
covered?
mitsahatra
I don't
mitodika
keep
namarato
looking
azo
back
nataony
saying,
dia
what
tsy
all have
handresy
I
mihitsy Paoly
overcome?
no teny hoe izao te hanatratra ny tanjona
The
izao
best
tsy
way
ilaozako
to
mitodika any aoriana manao hoe efa 5
hinder your
kilometatra re izay
spiritual
vitako
progress is
izao
by
tsy
looking
variana
back
mitodika
and
amin'ny tanisy
congratulating
zavatra efa
yourself
nahazoako fandresena
on what all
izany
you've
ny fomba mahomby
accomplished.
indrindra
Paul
raha
says,
tianao
now I
sumbaina ny
forget.
fahatsaran'ny fanam-panahinao
Verse 13,
dia
I
manao
forget
jery-todika sy
what
miaraba
lies
tena
behind.
amin'ireo zavatra efa nitotosainao
And I'm
fa
reaching
Paoly no teny
forward
hoe
and some of those
adinoiko
things you
andiny
heard today.
17 adinoiko izay zavatra any aoriana
Maybe some
ary
of those
tratrariko
areas
ilay
you've
zavatra ao
already
aloha raha misy
achieved
amin'ireo
something.
zavatra
Good.
henonao
Don't
androany
look back
mety
and
misy amin'ireo
congratulate yourself.
sehatra
Just
efa mba
press on. Look at the
ahombiazanao
areas where
tsary
you've
izany
yet
aza
conquered
mitodika any aoriana sy miaraba tena
and
fa
move on.
mandrosoa
I mean, it's
foana
just like in a
ireo sehatra
school.
izay mbola tsy nahazahoanao fandresena dia mandrosoa taky ny any an-tsekoly io
Child is
raha
in
misy
the
ankizy
6th
ao amin'ny
standard.
kilasy fahaenina tsy mamerindresina intsony rehefa manao asa marika ary miambo hoe tany amin'ny kilasy faharoa aho efa nahay be na tany amin'ny kilasy fahatelo aho nahay be tsy hitombo mihitsy ny fahaizany indray izany Ny mpianatra mahay dia misongona ny kilasy misy azy, manatratra ny eo aloha ny teny hoe izao dia ahafantatra momba izany matematika siansa izany, zavatra mbola tsy nianarako, izao dia handroso. Dia izay no lazain'i Paoly, miezaka hanatratra ny tanjonao. Raha eny amin'izao tontolo izao dia tahaka ny sasany aminareo izay miasa ao amin'ny sehatra informatika na sehatra hafa rehetra. Fantatrao fa raha ohatra ianao ka tsy maharaka ny zava-baovao ao amin'ny sehatry ny asanao, dia ho very asa ianao atsoatsy. Ianao tsy afaka hiteny hoe izao ange efa nianatra informatika tany amin'ny oniversite 10 taona lasa izay, tsy efa ampy ve izay? Tsy ampy izay. Ho very ny asanao raha tsy maharaka ny zava-baovao ianao, satria sehatra rehetra momba ny siansa sy ny asa maro dia misy zava-baovao foana. Noho izany eo amin'ny sehatry ny asantsika dia te-handalina foana isika. Izao mahafantatra olona efa 10-20 taona mbola mianatra foana mba tsy hahavery ny asany. Inona zavatra iriantsika indrindra? Mbola tsy tonga tahaka ny Kristy aho. Inona ary no ianarako? Ny ianarako dia Kristy. Inona avy ireo sehatra izay ahitako ny tenako tsy mbola mitovy amin'ny Kristy? Te hanatratra ilay marika aho. Ary mino fa raha mahita olona ianao ato amin'ity fiangonana ity izay mbola tratra aoriana, izany hoe misy sehatra hitanao fa mbola tsy nahazahoan'ireo fandresena kanefa efa nahazahoanao fandresena, inona no tokony ataonao? Tadidinao ve tamin'ny konferansy anankiray tamin'ny taon-dasa angamby izy iny na 2 taona lasa, nisy videoana seho amin'ny samediam-pantsika, nisy mpirahalahy mihazakazaka nanao marathon lavabe, nifanarakaraka izy roa lahy, ary taloha kely nahatongavany dia ninjera ilay anankiray. Tadidinareo ve iny? Dia inona nataon'ilay rahalahy? Nareniny ilay rahalahy. Tokony ho tonga voalohany izy roa lahy, tokony tonga voalohany sy faharoa, dia avy eo nisy an'ilay anankiray tokony tonga fahatelo. Ny iray tamin'izy mirahalahy aloha azo antoka fa tokony tafiditra voalohany, kanefa natao misorona ilay toerana voalohany iny, ka naleony nanampy ny rahalahiny. Fa ilay fahatelo nisongona azy roa lahy dia lasa iny indray ny voalohany dia nanangan-tanany iny fa tonga voalohany. Fa ho ahy ny sary nahafinaritra indrindra dia tsy ny an'ilay zalahy tonga voalohany, fa ilay anankiray nanampy ny rahalahy, ka niezaka mafy mba ho tonga. Ary rehefa tonga tao amin'ny arive izy dia inona no nataony hoy ianao? Natosina nakany aloha ilay rahalahy mba ho tonga faharoa, ka tsy izy ny faharoa. Ireo olona izany no tena fijoroana vavolombelona mahafinaritra tokony hananana ao anatin'ny tontolon'ny kristianina marina. Ary izany no andrasana amintsika ao am-piangonana. Raha misy olona hitanao fa mbola manana fahalemena, mbola tsy hita momba na ara-panahy, na mbola tsy mahazo fandresena amin'ny sehatra sasany, inona no tokony ataonao? Avelaonao any aoriana any izy ve sa lasa tohizanao ny hazakazakao andrombahanao ny loka? Hitreto angela izy teo hoe izao mino fa ilay zalahy iny tsy kristianina akory, fa maharahalahany azy fotsiny. Tsy mino aho hoe nanao an'izany izy raha olona hafa ny teo fa tsy ilay rahalahy. Ary tahaka izany no tsy maintsy ataontsika amin'ireo rahalahintsika sy anabavintsika ao am-piangonana. Rahalahy io, anabaviko io, mbola tratra aoriana izy, mbola misy zavatra tsy ahombiazana. Inona no tokony atao? Andeha ampereziko ireo tantanako, aporisihako, omeko teny famperezana hoe lasy azakivy, andao toy izy foana, azaketraka, mbola vitantsika io hazakazaka io. Ingana isika ho tahaka izany ka ho fiangonana ankasitrahan'Andriamanitra. Amen.